Hello viewers, I'm Bob. In this video, I will be showing you the solution to the integration of secant cube x dx. But before I do so, if you guys like the solution, let me press the thumbs up icon below this video. We are going to apply the integration by parts technique for this particular problem. The integration by parts technique tells us that if I were to define my term as u and another term as dv, this is equals to uv subtracting away the integral of v du, in which to find my v, I'll integrate the term dv, and to find my u, I differentiate the term u. For this particular problem, the first step we're going to do is we're going to split the secant cube x dx into the following: secant x times secant square x dx. So now we have two terms we can define, letting u be equals to secant x, and then my dv be equals to secant square x dx. To find my du, I differentiate u with respect to x. This gives me secant x tangent x, in which multiplying both sides by dx, I get du is equals to secant x tangent x dx. Whereas to find my v, I'll integrate secant square x dx. This gives me tangent x. Now I have my u, dv, v, and du. I can apply the integration by parts technique to move on to the next step. I get the following: my u is equals to secant x, my v is tangent x, subtracting away the integral of v, which is tangent x, and then my du is secant x tangent x. So for the integral part, it's basically just the integral of secant x tangent square x dx. And we know that based on the trigonometry identity, my tangent square x is equals to secant square x subtracting away 1 dx. Then I expand the part within the integral. I get secant cube x dx plus secant x dx. As you can see from here, this is my question, and then I have this particular part here. So I can add both sides of the equation by the integral of secant cube x dx. And I get the following. And hence, the secant cube x dx is basically just half times the secant x tangent x plus the integral of secant x dx. The integral of secant x dx is ln the absolute of secant x plus tangent x. If you want to find out how to get the answer for integral of secant x dx, I put a link on the top right hand corner directing you to the solution of integral of secant x dx. Hence, this is the final answer to the integral of secant cube x dx. If you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon and do consider to subscribe for more integration problems. I'm Bob. Thank you guys for support, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.